Guess what's here? This is Kirk with Kirk's Bees, home of Jack's Honey. That's right, we got something new. Thermal camera for hive removals. I haven't even opened the box. Here we go. Although I have to say I kind of am impressed with the box. I think it has magnets in it. It's yeah, it has magnets in it. I might keep that box. That's a good box. And you don't see many boxes like that. It takes a lot to impress me with packaging. Anyways, here we go. Instructions. I know, I never read the darn directions. I know. Here it is. I was not expecting this until like end of September. So I am, ooh, felt. Well, at least I know it'll be well protected. I'll just keep this stuff in here with it. I don't plan on really, anyways. Okay, so it takes all four, what is it, double A's? Double A's. Yeah, double A's. Not rechargeable. I don't care about that. I can always have more batteries with me. This one goes in here. This one goes in here. See, these are the kind of directions I like. Yeah, pictures. That way I don't have to go read out everything, you know? I am so happy about this. This is going to save a lot of money. Save a lot of money, save a lot of time. Certain place this thing goes down in there. Slide it forward, it clicks. Has a little thing, I guess you can screw it onto like a camera stand or something. Fine by me. Okay. So, this has a little power symbol. Turn it on. I think we could take the screen protector off. So there's nothing on here. Then I put my hand down. And take it up. Still got a handprint. Cool. That is awesome. The range on this goes from like, what's in Celsius? I wonder if I could change that to Fahrenheit. I gotta read the directions. Oh man. I really don't need to know the temperature. I just need to be able to see heat signatures. And that is exactly what this camera does. Thing about bees is store photos. Okay, I guess it takes photos too. Now that ain't that interesting. Bees generate heat. So when they're inside of a wall, that wall on the outside is, let's say it's 75 degrees out or 80 degrees. It really doesn't matter. It can be hotter too. But the thing is bees generate heat and they try to maintain between 90 and 95 degrees, primarily 92. So you can point this at a wall, look at it, and you will see a defined heat signature as to exactly where those bees are. So you don't have to actually open up the wall. That saves a lot of time and a lot of money. That's something that I really, really wanted from this product. So we will definitely be taking this camera, this thermal camera, on our hive removals. Definitely be taking it with it. It has an SD card, so it does take pictures. Okay, I just found that up here. It wasn't advertised, but once again, I'm not trying to use it for taking pictures. I am primarily using it just for the thermal. That's what I wanted. So I'll be quite honest, it was extremely expensive, but well worth it. Very, very well worth it. Figure it out. So thank you very much. Have a good one. And we'll see you next time here at Kirk's Bees, home of Jack's Honey. I am hungry. Guess what I'm gonna get? That's a long menu. That is a huge menu. We're talking, guess what I'm gonna get? I haven't decided yet. I figured I'd have you guys help me out here. Post down in the comment sections of what you think I should get. You can design your own, which is the pizza. I can't have the bread, so keep that in mind, but I can do it on a cauliflower crust. So if you got health issues and you're in Hobbs, New Mexico, this is the place to get. Get over there and get them. They're also doing crustless now. New product. We're talking, they work with customers. I'm telling you, the Pizza Mill and Stuff Factory, these guys are absolutely fabulous. The number 16 and the number 7 sandwiches are also made into pizzas because they are so popular. I remember when I was growing up, oh my goodness, I had to have been 4 or 5, 3, 4 or 5. I mean, I was little. I'd go in there and get a number 7. Here I am, much older. I'm not gonna say how old yet because some people pick on me. I have anniversaries of being 29 now. And I go in and I get the number 7. Okay, every now and then I get 16. Of course, the meatball was also really good too. And then they also have nachos. I've looked around because I was determined to find other places that sell this a lot, you know, they have the exact same kind of stuff, because I mean, if there's a holiday or something, or there's a special event and one place is closed, I like to go to another. You know what? You're not going to find another pizza place that sells nachos. I cannot find one. At least around here. Maybe there must be some in the big cities or something, but you ain't going to find them around here. And the selection list is something else. Then you have the Super Submarines. These sandwiches, well, let me put it this way. You have 22 choices, and you can always add and remove what's on them. Now, you can also turn your sandwiches into salads. If you're looking for people that'll work with their customers and they try their best, they do get very busy at times. But they're not selling fast food. They're selling home cooked quality food, and pizza has never been a fast food. Be sure to get over to Pizza Mill and Sub Factory and check them out. Give them a call. They also deliver, pick up, and unlike all of these other places, they got drive-through. So be sure to check them out. I'm Kirk with Kirk's Bees. Have a good one, honey.